Hello everyone, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. This one is a chest workout today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the table, and I'm also going to use the two chairs. I'm going to do this is a high angle chest workout here, and I'm going to do sort of a jumping or, like up and down motion, but I'm also going to like push myself up and come down again as I'm doing this exercise, just to add some variation to the workout. So I'm going to do a shoulder width grip, and then I'm going to finish this exercise and then jump into this one and at a lower angle and do pretty much the same exercise. Okay? So I'm starting here on the table, and I'm doing it at shoulder width. Okay? So I want to have my arms basically straight out at shoulder width. Okay, place my feet in such a position so that they are, I'm pitting my body weight against me as much as possible. Okay, with the home body weight workouts, you want to make sure that you're putting your weight against you as much as possible by using angles and also the position of your body. So, okay, so without further ado, put one foot over the other. And then my hands are at shoulder width. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm just jumping up, lifting myself up as I'm doing them, just to add some variation to the workout. Oh. And I can even clap as I'm doing them. Breathe normally. Just adds a little bit extra level of difficulty as you're doing the exercise. Oh. Okay, and on the last few, if you can't do the clap, you can't do the jumping up, the throwing your body up, then just do a regular one, okay? To because you don't want to injure yourself, you don't want to fall down or something, okay? All right, so let's jump right back into it. First set is always easy. And you will notice this gets challenging quite quickly. For some reason, the throwing your body up and then coming back down again really adds quite an extra level of, it makes it more challenging. It makes it more difficult. So it adds an extra level of difficulty and challenge to the exercise. Okay? So let's keep going. One foot over the other, just to add give yourself a central pivot point for the exercise. And then and the jumping up part, the throwing your body up part really adds an extra level of woo, it really adds an extra level of oomph. You really feel how difficult, the extra level of difficulty in the exercise. All right, so I'm just going to give it a quick pump, quick flex to help the muscles and tear the muscles a little bit more during the exercise. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, this high-angle chest workout is actually one of the most effective home chest workouts that you can do. The high angle, for some reason, really works the chest muscles out really well. I guess sort of like a bench press, with an angled bench press, sometimes feels like it works out your chest really well. Okay, so just flex for a bit, but this is a fantastic chest exercise. All right, so let's go one more time. Again, put your body up, clap if you want to. Yeah, and just the throwing your body up really adds an extra challenge to the workout. Really works the chest muscles out well, and along with the high angle chest exercise, fantastic. Okay. So again. Okay. Oh, okay. Fantastic. And as you jump from the high angle to the low angle, I find that this really, I don't know, it's something about going from the higher angle exercise to the lower angle exercise. It's really just works the chest out because you feel like there's more weight on you feel like it's more difficult when you do the low angle as opposed to going from low angle to high angle. It just feels more difficult, and it just seems to give you a better workout. Okay. Okay, and you're just throwing your body up as quickly as possible to really, just to add an extra pump, an extra level of difficulty to the exercise. You just throw your body up, and it really exhausts your muscles and shocks your muscles. Okay. Okay, so I'm just about done with this one. As I finish the exercise, or as I'm able to do less reps on the exercises, I focus more on the negative resistance. So as I come up, I slow down the negative resistance just to work the muscles to failure, to even greater levels of failure, as you could say. Okay. All right, just one more time, but focus on the negative. I know that sounds contrary to everything you've been taught, but focus on the negative resistance as you reach your failure points as you're working out. Okay. All right, so just focus on the negative resistance. And flex my muscles a little bit more, maybe for a shorter period of time, maybe only like 10 seconds this time. Again, just to add a depth, define the muscles a little bit better, rip the muscles a bit more, and just a pump, just to give you an extra pump. All right, so this should be good enough. Breathe normally, keep your back straight, keep your lower back straight especially. Okay. Focus on that negative resistance. Negative resistance level. Okay. So probably just do an isometric now, and then just kind of hold in place. And just hold it as long as I can. And then after I finish this one, I'm going to jump to this one. I'm going to try actually one more on this one. It feels like I got a little bit of energy left. So, let's give it a shot. And just hold. Okay. All right, so that one is basically finished after you've done. On the last few sets, you can do your stop and hold in about the mid-range of the exercise, to the most difficult position in the range. You want to stop and hold the exercise to get an extra mini workout within your workout. Okay, so this one again, shoulder width, about shoulder width, and I'm going to just jump up the same way. So put your feet out, to pitch your body weight against you as much as possible. And again. Okay. And just be careful you don't injure yourself. You don't fall down. Obviously, my head could fall right between the chairs. Just be careful. If you start to feel like you're reaching a point where your muscles are going to fail or buckle or something like that, just stop and give yourself a quick rest. Okay. Again, about shoulder width. Move the chairs a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so just work it as much as you can. You're at a lower angle now. Your muscles are already worked out, so just want that extra shock, a little bit of an extra workout to build your muscle, to build more muscle, right? To effectively give yourself an extra level of workout, All right, so just keep going. Take a quick break if you need one, but don't wait too long. Yeah, and just the shock of throwing your body up and then clapping your hands. It's just, I don't know, it adds an extra challenge, like an extra power to the workout, which is it's very invigorating. You really feel your muscles working out and pumping up, and you will feel the soreness the next day too if you vary your workout enough. If you're not feeling sore after the workout, for a day or two after the workout, then you're really not working out, or you're really not working out that hard, or your muscle memory is working against you. Okay. Just keep going. It gets more difficult, but just keep going. And just, motivate yourself. Motivate yourself to keep going. It's not that hard. These exercises don't take very long. Work with your skill levels. If you can only do 2 or 3 sets of these and, 2 or 3 sets of these, that's fine. But that's your skill level. Don't overdo it at first. Work your way up to more advanced levels, longer workouts. Not that these workouts last that long anyway. I mean, we're talking 15 minutes on a normal basis to do one body part, so it's very easy. So if you're working 3 muscle groups a day, we're talking 45 minutes, less than an hour. Okay. And as you start to reach the end of the workout again, focus on the negative resistance, even though it goes against everything you've been taught. Focus on the negative resistance at the end of your workouts. It will just, you will see the result if you focus on the negative resistance. All right, so let's just keep going. See how much gas is left in the tank here. Oh, okay. Woo. Just keep going, keep motivated. Doesn't take that long. You notice the results. You notice the results in getting, looks from the ladies, or or if you're a lady, looks from the guys. Welcome, ladies. I mean, you can certainly do these workouts at your own levels. Ladies, men can do these workouts. They work fantastic. Whole body weight workouts are perfect for either gender. All right, so let's do it again. With the lower angles, man, after you've done a higher angle and jump to a lower angle, you just, I don't know, you feel it because it feels like you have more weight on your chest or whatever muscle group you're working at the time. It just feels like you have more pressure, more weight on this muscle group, which is fabulous. Okay, so okay. All right, so getting close to the end of this workout. So what I'm going to do is, again, focus on just the stop and hold in the middle of the range, or whatever the most difficult point in the range is, okay? All right, so it's over with. So just hold. So you just want to hold your body in about the most, difficult position, the most uncomfortable, awkward position, for as long as you can, and that's really the goal. And that's one of the rules of home body weight workouts. Is generally the most uncomfortable position or the most awkward position is what's going to give you the most benefit. In terms of whether you have your body in a strange position as you're doing the exercise. Or what have you, generally speaking, not always, but generally speaking, the most uncomfortable or the most awkward position is what's going to give you the best workout. All right, so let's go one more time with the isometrics. So, all right, so just hold. See, this is about the most, where I have the most pressure on. Okay. All right, so that's about it. And that's a full chest workout, jumping back and forth. So let me go back here. And so that is about the most effective, short workout. Short chest workout gives you a really nice little pump there in a very short amount of time. And, just jumping, finishing one exercise, going to the other. Obviously, you can vary it. You can do one exercise and then jump back and forth, or you can do one rep and then jump back and forth between them. Also very easy to do. Anyway, so everyone, I hope I have motivated you to work out at home, and I hope you will continue to get up early or to work out after work, because the health benefits and everything, and the difference you'll notice in your stomach and in your chest and your arms and everything is just phenomenal. And you can do it all at home in your spare time for free. Anyway, so thank you very much. And this is Byron. Everyone stay motivated to work out at home. It's so easy to do, and there's no excuses. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Everyone stay strong out there. This is Byron signing off.